How to use bullets on Google Docs. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the best way that you can use the bullets features in Google Docs page. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open the Google Docs. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Google Docs page. So let me write for list for sample or example. So this is my list. Okay, you can change the margin from here. Okay, so first we need to highlight the contain or list where you want to apply the bullets, and there's a two option. You can find the bullets option here under the format tab. You can see the bullets and numbering. So here you can see the number list menu. Here the different style you will have or format. Under the bullet list menu you will see the different style or format, and checklist menu also you have two format. Okay, and if you have toolbar visible like this, from here also you can see the bullets point option. This is for number, this is for bullet style, and this is for checklist. Okay, so same. Okay, so you can apply one by one. So you can apply as per your requirement. So just select the list. Now select the format from here or here. I just select from here. So this first option, format that you can use with numbers, you can see 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Another format with the bracket. Okay, and another option you can see the 1.1 1.2 subtitle you can see. Okay, and another option like A B C D, then this is Romans, this is 0 1 and 1. Okay, so how can use it, I'll show you. So okay, so let me show you the in first format. So if I apply the first format, then it will be show like 1 2 3. But if you want to the sub list like this, so you need to just, what you need to do, just select the first list, keep the cursor at the end and just the enter. Now if you want to add the sub list, you need to hit the tab. Okay, write your point and enter button, hit the enter button, another point again. But if you want to come up again with the first main list, then enter, then again enter. So you need to two time enter to come to your main list. Okay, so I hope you like these options. So this is how you can apply the bullets point, and this is apply for the all format. Okay, so you can use this process for this all format, same as bullet points. I will show you. So let me apply this option. First we need to keep the cursor and keep the cursor at first list, then hit the enter, then tab. Then if you want to add more, then just hit the enter and write. And if you want to come back and main list, then just hit the two time enter, it will become at main list. Okay, so that is how you can apply for the all formats. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.